Hi everyone. So whenever you create your designs, you want your designs to be on brand. You want it to be consistent so that your audience will be able to recognize that it's your content and that it's your design. And so one way to be on brand is to use your brand colors. So let's see how we can use your brand colors in Canva. So you can create, so for example, if we create a design right here, you can use your brand colors as a background color for your graphic or as a font color for your text. Now, to do that, you can just click on the artboard and then you'll see up here, there's a very colorful box. It says background color. And from here, you can add a new color. Now, if you're not familiar with the hex codes or the color codes for your brand colors, you will most likely find your color codes or hex codes on your logo guidelines or your brand guidelines. So here we have, for example, Kennedy Accountancy's logo guidelines. It will have all the information that you might be needing when creating your designs. And there will be a page wherein you'll find the hex codes, the RGB, CMYK color codes. And here for Canva, what we want is the hex code. So it's like a 6-character code, which you can just copy over on here. So again, this is the colorful box, add a color, paste the hex code, and then you have the brand colors like very easily, quickly added onto the background. Now you can continue to, let's say, add the different brand colors that you have. And for example, you want to add text, you can also just click on the A, which has like a colorful line underneath it. It says text color. And again, you can add the hex code for brand colors. Now you can continue to do that. And even when you use elements, for example, a circle, you can click again the color box on top and change it to the right colors that you want. Now, as you can see here, there are like ready-made color palettes. For example, for PF, we have them right here on top. So they're very quick to access whenever we create designs. Of course, for Kennedy, we're not going to use the PF colors because they have their own brand colors right here. Now, if you sign up for Canva Pro, for example, um, you can you're able to access the feature which is called Brand Kit. So in Brand Kit, you can create your brand kit. So for example, we're going to create one for Kennedy's. Um, Once you create there, you're able to add your brand logos. So you can add Kennedy's logo here, and also we can add the brand colors and brand fonts. Now, adding those will allow you to quickly access them from, let's say, the text. So for the colors, for example, you can quickly access them here. And for the fonts as well, it's going to be the same thing. So to add your brand colors, you can just, again, click on the plus button and then copy the codes. Let's quickly do that. Yeah, so you can even rename it. So for example, you can create, you can add more palettes so that you can, you know, see the combination of the different brand colors, but make sure that it's your brand colors. Because again, you want to be consistent and you want to be recognized by, just a set of colors for your brand. So let's see, can add here like Kennedy. Yeah, can I just Kennedy there? And then, so once you go here, we can easily access the colors for Kennedy. So makes it easier to change the colors. So yeah, that's how you add colors or use your brand colors in Canva. And yeah, definitely worth signing up for the Canva Pro just so you can create your brand kit